Android Batterie draining fast. Here's the quick fix. Is your Android phone's battery draining faster than ever? You charge it at 100, and within a few hours, it's almost dead. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes that can extend your battery life instantly. First, go to Settings Battery Usage. Here you'll see which apps are consuming the most power. If you notice social media apps or games at the top, consider limiting their background activity. Many apps run in the background, even when you're not using them. Go to Settings Apps Battery Usage and restrict background activity for apps you don't need running all the time. Your display is usually the biggest battery killer. Lower the brightness, switch to adaptive brightness, and if your phone supports it, enable dark mode. Also, reduce your screen time out to 30 seconds. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, and even NFC constantly drain power when left on. Turn them off when not in use, and only enable them when needed. Almost every Android phone has battery saver or power saving mode. Turn on when your battery is running low to automatically cut down on background usage and extend life. And that's it. By applying these quick fixes, you can easily add hours of extra usage to your Android phone. No more rushing for the charger every few hours. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which trick worked best for you.